Morning students. Today I am going to take a topic plants and its kinds. Have you seen plants? Okay. Today we are going to see this about plants and its kinds. Okay. What are the things which will surround us? Animals, plants, trees, insects, flowers, fruits, etc. These are all living in our surroundings. So this we are called it as a living things. Okay. Among that, today we are going to see about plants. Okay. What are the kinds of plants and how its appearance, or these things we are going to see. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing that grow in the earth and has a stem, leaves, roots. These are all having. Plant is a one of the living thing like a human. Okay. Have you seen what are the parts in that plant? Okay, we shall see. Now we are going to see the parts of plant. What are the parts are there? Mainly we divide into two types. Okay, the plants we can mainly divide it into two system. First one is shoot system. Another one is root system. The upper part of a plant is called it as shoot system. Then lower part, that is under the ground part, that is called it as a root system. Okay, what are the things are there in shoot system? Flower. The main thing, flower, bud, seeds, fruit, leaf, stem. These are all included in shoot system, that is upper part of a plant. Then inside the root system, only two kinds of roots are there. Okay, under the plant, that is under the root system, there are two parts, that is primary root, and another one is secondary root. These are all the parts of plant. Now we are going to see. Okay, now let's me listen the song about plant and its parts.
I'm gonna tell you all about the plants, all of the parts and how they grow. Now just sit right down and enjoy the song. Your lesson starts right now and here we go. There's a root that absorbs the water. It helps the plant to stand up tall. The roots form a stem and the stem supports the plant. Oh, it sends nutrients to them all. And then there's leaves, so important. The leaves capture all the sun. Then leaves make food to form a flower. Oh, now all the plants can reproduce.
Okay, now we see what are the essential things that are need to grow plants. Okay, if we are human beings, no, we need food, water, air. Like the same, plant also need some essential things. We shall see now. Okay, next we are going to see about what are the essential things that it is used to plant can grow. If we are human beings, know what are the essential things we need? Food, water, air, shelter. These things are very important for human beings. Like the same, plants is also living thing. So in that living thing, what are the things that it can be need to plants can be grown? Okay, shall we see? The main thing under what do we dioxide, oxygen and sunlight. Okay, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means what? The green pigment inside the leaf. Okay, the leaf, no, inside the green pigment. So this is called it as chlorophyll. This is inside the green pigment of leaf. That is called it as chlorophyll. Then next one, carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide? It helps the plants to grow. Okay, helps the plants to make a pigment. Okay, so that carbon dioxide is necessary. Then sunlight. What is used for sunlight? It gives a light and heat. It makes the plants to grow. Okay, without sunlight, plants cannot grow. Then oxygen. Okay, plants can used for respiration. Okay, oxygen can be used by the plants for respiration. What does mean by respiration? Respiration means breathing by inhaling and exhaling air. So for that oxygen can be used. Okay, these are all the important things for that plants can be grown.
Next, we shall see what are the kinds of plants. There are 5 kinds of plants. That is trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers. Okay, these are all the kinds of trees. First one, trees. Have you seen trees? Yes, it looks like very big and tall and also very strong. We can't lift or push the trees very easily because it is very big and strong, and it also have a very hard and big stem, leaves and branches also. Okay, it lives for many years. Trees can live for many years. Example, banyan tree, mango tree and neem tree. These are all the examples of trees. Second one, herbs. Herbs is also a kind of plant. It is very soft green stem. Okay, herbs is very soft and greeny stem, but it is very light. Okay, it doesn't have a strong stem. They live for a very few months, normally one season only. For this example, tulasi, pudina, these are all the examples, and wheat, rice, garlic, onion. These are all the example for herbs. Okay, what is the another name of pudina? Pudina means mint. Okay, that is the correct name, mint. Next, third one, shrubs. It looks like very small and bushy plants. Okay, shrub is very small and bushy plants. They have thin brown woody stem. Okay, it has a very thin brown woody stem. It lives for only a few years only. Example, lemon, peach, rose. These are all the examples of shrubs. Next one, creepers. Creepers is very weak stem plant. Okay, it is very weak stemmed plant that spread out and grow along the ground only. Okay, it spread out all around the place. It grow only along the ground itself. That is called it as a creepers. Example, pumpkin, watermelon. These are very heavy fruit and vegetable. These creepers can't lift this kind of fruit and vegetable. Okay, because its stems and leaves are very thin. Then finally, climbers. Climbers means it's like same like a creepers. Climbers also having a very thin weak stems, leaves and very thin and weak stems. They cannot stand up right. Okay, they can't stand up straightly. They are called climbers. It grows in a crawling way. Okay, crawling like a snake, but it climbing up, but it cannot stand straight. Okay, for this example, beans, peas, money plant. Have you seen money plant? It is used for our house for decorative purpose. Okay, that plant is belong to climbers. Okay.
Okay, finally, we are going to see the mind map in this lesson. What are the things we discussed? What is plant? And what are the uses? And what are the things essential for plants to be grown? And what are the parts of the plants? Then finally, what are the kinds of plants or these things we discussed? Okay. What are the kinds of plants? Trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers. Okay, these are all the kinds of trees.
Okay, student. Finally, one assignment for you. Look at this picture. Write the parts of the plants. What are the things we discussed? You write and color the flowers. Okay, submit it on tomorrow. This is the assignment for you. Thank you.
Still looking at me.